How's it going, guys? I finished putting in the city names for the Parador, the Talataria map. So the capital of Parador is Efren. The capital of Talataria is Santos City, which will become apparent later when I talk about the politics and stuff. And then we have other cities, the Gate, the Pass, Eastmead, Denton, Stonebridge, with all these other cities, Deepwater, Forkstown, you know, lots of Mistwood, Port Blackstone. That's from I'm a big Fighting Fantasy fan, and Willowvale. That's where I grew up. Yeah, it's also working on the extension to the map, the Aranoran, the kind of the island nation. Um, in the south. Obviously, it's a smaller nation. It's like a bigger and a smaller island, much like Ireland and England. Also gave some kind of colonies for the other two countries. So they have like a few small cities here, like Port Santos, South Haven, Port Bright, and Whalegate. So I guess that's like a whaling community, small village of whalers. Um, yes, I've added a training city for this. So R&R, so the other countries have like 16, 17, villages and towns and stuff, settlements. So these probably only going to have probably about 10 because it's a smaller country, but they're going to mainly be on the coasts. So they won't be such a big military nation, but they'd be more, you know, more naval kind of thing. And I was thinking about giving them also some Martello towers that I can write some rules up for. If you don't know what Martello towers are, they were, these round towers that the British built during the Napoleonic era. They built some like in Canada, around the Caribbean, Barbados, and particularly in the coast of England and around the coast of Ireland. And it's kind of look like this. These are some of the martellos that are near where I live in Dublin. I think these ones are on Dalkey Island, and I think these two might be see yeah, Sea Point. Yeah, pretty near where I live. I think you could see. So what they were, they had like a small garrison, defensive garrison of infantry, and they also had like a big huge cannon. You can see the cannon still there on the one in Sea Point, and they could take pot shots at ships passing, or ships, invasion fleets coming in. So write some rules for that. Also, they could be seen, along the coast. You could see one from the other, so it would be a chain, much like in Lord of the Rings, the watchtowers of Gondor. So they could signal each other with fire, and the message would go all the way along the coast. So they will have that kind of if there is an invasion, they would know very quickly, because the signal fires would send a message all the way around, rather these guys would have to send out riders and stuff. Yeah, so they'd have that kind of advantage, and then they'd have the bigger navy just to kind of bring them up a bit. Yeah, so next video I'll probably do the terrain and the city layouts. Oh yeah, and there's something else I was messing around with. So I made these flags for the different countries. We make these on flagcreator.com. It's free to use, pretty easy, pretty basic to make up some flags. You can pay like $5.99 a month, and you can get like more options, and you won't have the watermark. But I'm not really too bothered about the watermark. So that's the the Arenaria flag, you know, with the ship. That's the Parador flag, the eagle below stars, based on the Soviet Union flag. The Kalataria flag, the hammer and cannon. Also found these like images of what I thought the uniforms might look like. It's the Arenorian, the Parador cavalry, the Parador being red, and the Kalataria infantry, they will be in black. Yeah, that's it for the next video. Thank you.